Box turtles secret how they hide for decades. Box turtles are truly remarkable creatures, and one of their most intriguing secrets is their ability to seemingly vanish for years at a time. This isn't magic, it's a survival strategy called brumation, which is essentially deep hibernation specific to reptiles. Unlike mammals that hibernate, brumating turtles experience a dramatic slowdown in their metabolism. Their heart rate drops significantly. They stop eating and become incredibly inactive. They can remain in this state for extended periods, sometimes decades, buried beneath leaf litter or soil. The exact length of time a box turtle brumates depends on factors like age, health, and environmental conditions. It's an incredible adaptation that allows them to survive harsh winters and periods of drought, making them masters of patience and resilience. Brumation for box turtles is truly something special. It's far more than just a simple hibernation period. It's an incredibly extended state of dormancy where their body functions drastically slow down. During brumation, the turtle's metabolism plummets, and they essentially enter a suspended animation to conserve energy through harsh conditions. What's really remarkable is how long this can last, sometimes spanning an astonishing 10 to 25 years. That's a significant portion of their lives spent in this dormant state, only emerging to feed and reproduce when conditions are favorable again. As winter approaches and temperatures drop, box turtles enter a period called brumation, essentially a deep sleep similar to hibernation in mammals. To survive these colder months, they actively seek shelter from the elements. Many will diligently dig their own burrows into the ground, creating cozy underground retreats. Others are fortunate enough to find existing cavities, like hollow logs or spaces beneath rocks, that offer protection. This behavior isn't just about escaping the cold, it's a crucial strategy for conserving energy and ensuring survival until warmer weather returns. Box turtles don't just decide to hibernate on a whim. It's a carefully orchestrated response to environmental cues. Several factors combine to trigger brumation, essentially signaling the approach of winter. A significant drop in temperature is key. Those cool autumn nights really start to get their attention. Coupled with this is the shortening of daylight hours. As the days grow shorter, turtles sense less available sunlight for foraging and activity. Finally, food becomes scarcer. Insects burrow deeper, plants wither, and finding a meal gets harder. It's this combination: falling temperatures, reduced light, and dwindling food sources that collectively tells a box turtle it's time to prepare for a long winter sleep. Brumation isn't just a period of dormancy, it's an incredible physiological feat for box turtles. During this time, their metabolism drastically slows down to conserve energy. Imagine their heart, normally beating steadily, reducing its pace to as few as 3 or 4 beats per minute. It's truly astonishing. Simultaneously, their body temperature isn't regulated in the way we typically think of it. Instead, it essentially matches that of the surrounding soil, sometimes dropping significantly lower than air temperatures. This allows them to survive harsh conditions and weather out the winter months with minimal energy expenditure. This deep hibernation, known as brumation, is truly remarkable. It's far more than just a long nap, it's an ingenious survival strategy. Box turtles can enter this state for weeks, even months, allowing them to completely shut down many of their bodily functions and conserve energy. Think of it as pressing the pause button on life itself. This extended dormancy allows them to survive periods of environmental stress that would otherwise be fatal: drought, where water is scarce; extreme cold snaps that threaten to freeze them solid; or even times when food simply isn't available. It's an incredible adaptation that enables these turtles to weather harsh conditions and emerge stronger when things improve. The end of winter doesn't always mean an immediate return to activity for a box turtle. They can actually remain in brumation, that deep state of dormancy, for surprisingly long periods, sometimes even years. It's not uncommon for them to surface briefly, just enough time to grab a quick meal and rehydrate before retreating back underground or under logs again. This extended period of inactivity is thought to be related to food availability and the overall harshness of their environment. They're conserving energy until conditions are truly favorable. You might find an individual emerges for a few days, then disappears completely for another season or two. This fascinating behavior, essentially a period of suspended animation, is something scientists are only beginning to fully understand. It's thought that box turtles employ this strategy as an adaptation to environments where conditions aren't always favorable. Imagine areas experiencing erratic rainfall or periods of drought, or places where food sources fluctuate dramatically. Rather than expend energy searching for scarce resources or battling harsh weather, a box turtle can simply enter this dormant state. They effectively press a pause button on their lives, conserving precious energy and waiting for conditions to improve. It's an incredibly clever survival mechanism that allows them to thrive in challenging habitats. The box turtle's shell isn't just beautiful, it's a vital piece of equipment for survival, particularly during brumation. When these turtles hibernate underground, they rely on their sturdy shells to shield them from potential predators like raccoons and foxes that might be digging around. The high, domed shape also provides an advantage. It helps create a microclimate within the burrow itself. The shell acts as insulation, trapping warmth and minimizing temperature fluctuations, which is crucial for conserving energy during those long months of inactivity. It's a remarkable example of how form truly follows function in nature. Brumation is far more than just a period of dormancy for box turtles. It's an extraordinary survival strategy honed over millennia. Imagine facing harsh winters with limited resources. These turtles have developed a way to essentially pause their lives, slowing down metabolism and conserving energy until conditions improve. This extended sleep isn't simply inactivity, it's a carefully orchestrated process tied directly to temperature and day-length cues. They seek out sheltered spots underground or under leaf litter, creating microclimates that allow them to endure the cold. Witnessing this behavior really underscores just how incredibly resilient these creatures are. It's a testament to their ability to adapt and thrive in challenging environments, demonstrating an inherent strength we can all admire. Protecting the forests they call home is absolutely vital to ensuring future generations of box turtles continue to successfully navigate these seasonal cycles.